Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Glide & Go XR Seated, shown for use in a Class A motorhome such as this Thor Hurricane. So the Glide & Go XR mounts on the side of the vehicle, and it allows you to transfer from the wheelchair or a standing position into the seat, across the bridge here for the stepwell, and into your vehicle to be able to go where you want to go, when you want to go in your RV. So our first step here is going to be to transfer into the seat. Attach the seat belt. These units are available in a wide variety of seating options. So we've got different types of seats, different colors. The units are also available in white and black. And most importantly, each unit is customized for the particular needs of your RV to maintain the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle as well as the functional needs for your particular vehicle. So once we get up here, we're going to actually release the seat lock. There's a lock right here that will lock the seat in place or allow it to move. And then we've got another lock right here which puts the seat so that the entire swing arm is able to rotate. When we get up to the right height, release the seat, swing in, lock the seat in place, lock the swing arm, release the seat belt, and transfer or walk inside. Now, once the unit is free and the person has gone into the RV, we're going to put the seat down, lock, and we can actually release the seat from the mounting post. Bring it down if you're a little shorter than I am. And the unit can actually stow right up against the side of the RV. So now we've got it in that middle rotating position, and I'll take the opportunity to show you a little bit how it locks. Locks in place right there. Also locks in place in the up position, and then in that mid position we can swing it right against the wall of the RV so that you can travel with ease. You can raise it a little bit to adjust the position depending on what else it's running into. Typically there are two different locations for your controller, one at the top and one at the bottom. The stepwell cover, removable, non-hinged, is typically what's offered with the unit. There are other different options if you should have an interest in that. These seats are made so that they will stow in a typical compartment for your RV, or you could put them inside if you use it a lot, maybe under a dinette or something like that. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing your input and hearing from you. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited and understand a little bit about our philosophy, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos showing you tons of exciting options for getting into and out of a vehicle, RV, and in your home at youtube.com/accessun. If you're into Twitter, you can follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, two words, and you can contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. You can also give us a call the old-fashioned way, daytimes, Eastern Standard Time in the United States at country code 1-607-669-4822, evenings and weekends 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and thanks for tuning in.